Hey class, this is Miss Simon again. Today we're going to wrap up our lesson on geometric terms. We're going to focus on the relationship between line segments and lines and rays. So I'm going to begin with this picture of a kite, something we're familiar with. Now when we look at this kite, yes, we see different shapes in it, but we don't think about the different geometric terms related to this. So I'm going to start by putting points on my kite. Now points, I can put them anywhere I want to, but I'm going to focus on the corners or where angles are created. Put one right here in the middle. Now I'm going to go back and label my points. I have point A, point B, point C, point D, and point E in the center. Okay, so now if I ask you to identify some line segments, I'm sure that you could come up with many. One that I see is line segment AB. Line segment AB. I also see line segment EC. Okay, what about angles? Do you see any angles in our kite? When I look down here, I see an angle right here. What kind of angle would that be? It's less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. What about right here? What kind of angle is formed right here? That would make a right angle. So since we have a right angle and we have lines that are intersecting, what do we call those special intersecting lines? Perpendicular lines. When we have two lines or two line segments that intersect and form 90-degree angles, we call those perpendicular lines. Okay, so now if I ask you to find a line, do you see a line? I don't see one looking at it. I see line segments, but I'm going to show you that just because you have a line segment doesn't mean we can't extend it and create a line. Woo, that was not good. So now I've turned line segment AB into line AB. What about a ray? Do you see a ray? Well, if I have a point C, I can extend, and now I have ray DC So D is my endpoint, and then my line continues through C forever in the opposite direction. So just from basic familiar shapes and objects that we see all around us, we can find different geometric terms, such as lines, line segments, rays, angles. Thank you guys. Have a great day.